In today's video, I'll show you how to fix a form not submitting in Webflow. If your form isn't submitting, here's a quick guide to get it working. First, check the Submit button. Make sure your form actually has a Submit button and that it's visible. Sometimes it can be accidentally hidden, so go to the form settings and set its visibility to visible. Without it, users can submit the form. Next, check your input fields. Ensure every input field has a unique ID, like name or email, so the form can correctly capture data. Finally, verify reCAPTCHA. If you're using reCAPTCHA, make sure the keys are correctly configured in your project settings. Once these steps are done, your form should submit properly. And that's it. That's how you fix a form not submitting in Webflow.